And a groovy, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. We appreciate them. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a fondant recipe that is conducive, convenient for all weathers. Okay, this fondant recipe is what I use for my edible paintings. I use them for all kinds of fondant cake. It's very good. Okay, it does not sweat. It can stand the weather, especially those of you who are in wet environments. All right, so this is all you need. You need a confectionery sugar, icing sugar sieved. You will need egg white. You will need water, CMC, and glucose syrup. All right, so this is 1 kg sieved icing sugar. I like to just pour my icing sugar on my work surface like this, and then I make a well in the middle. For this recipe, you need 1 tablespoon of CMC. I'll put it here. 1 egg white. I'll add it up also. 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup. I'll also add. It's a very fast way of making fondant. Maybe that's why I like it most. And then you will need 2 tablespoons of water to start with. All right. So I'm going to start incorporating all this together and add extra water if this water is not binding enough. The reason why I like to start with 2 tablespoons of water is because some icing sugar, confectionery sugar, do not have the ability to absorb so much water. Okay, so in case you're using that, you want to just start with small water, 2 tablespoons. If that's not enough, you can then add it up to make it 3. Okay, so I'm still going to keep kneading until I'm very sure that this is not going to work. Then I bring my extra 1 tablespoon. So in all, I'll be needing like 3 tablespoons of water to do this. Okay, as you can see, my fondant is actually adding up gradually. So I want to exhaust all of this opportunity that I have with this before I bring in the extra water. You just may be surprised that if you don't have a good icing sugar or an icing sugar that can absorb so much water, that 1 tablespoon extra will just overwhelm your icing sugar. So I'm still kneading and it's adding up gradually. Pause. This is how far I have gone. This is how far I've gotten to. So I know I can still add some. What's that I do?
Well, I don't know what is showing there.
You showing what?
My hand. My hand.
The hand came through the front. We are still kneading. We haven't added the extra 1. This is becoming hard, very hard. So I'm going to add my extra 1 tablespoon of water. Now this will finish up the job. Okay. This fondant recipe is so pliable, very friendly to work with. You can use this to get fantastic edges on your cake. And when you use it for painting, it's so stable. It does not sweat. It does not respond to weather easily. I like to use it when I want to cover a wedding cake ahead of time because it has a very good ability to last longer than others. So I still have some more icing sugar. I'm just going to gradually keep kneading into it. You can see how pliable it is, stretchy. silky, smooth. You can see how stretchy it is. So we're going to gradually keep kneading our extra icing sugar into it. Until we are done. Now, in case you're doing this and it's becoming too hard for you to control or to work with, all you need is to add some little water to get the consistency you're comfortable with. Okay? I usually prefer my fondant to be a bit firm so that I can do whatever I want to do with it conveniently without having to top it up or harden it up with CNC. All right? Let me pause. So I have just finished incorporating. You can see how white and silky it looks. See the color, beautiful. It's white and super clear and silky. It's so stretchy and firm. Good for all weather. Those of you in wet environment, this is the recipe for you. Those of you who love to do edible painting on your cake, this works perfectly well. You can see how stretchy it is. It does not break. Thank you for watching. Have yourself now.